In front of me is Black Shark 5, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. You need to start by locating Tools folder, clicking on it and choosing Recorder app. Then choose Allow in the pop-ups, HardReset.Info and click on this red button to start the recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on this left one, and if you wish to end it and save it, click on the right one. Now you can choose Delete over here and get rid of your recording right away. But you can also name it and tap on OK to save it. Now click on the same right button to access list of your recordings and choose settings. After that you need to click on use this folder, choose allow, and as you can see my recording is over here. In order to play it, click on it. If you wish to get rid of it though, you need to go back and hold it. Now select this delete icon at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!